this is GBPUSD. So this was the price action for this week that just completed. And last week, last analysis that I did, I drew a trend line connecting this to this, going up. So I mentioned that if it breaks, and then I'll be drawing another trend line this way. If it breaks and then break this trend line again, then I'll be taking a buy. But the price did not do that. Instead, price respected this trend line. As you can see, it respected the trend line all the way until Friday. It broke the trend line. Here, this is the one. So it created a high, lower high. This is low, lower low. And this area here, remember this daily chart, the wick I was telling to watch out, because price can, this is like a resistance. There you saw price did give a retracement here. And the other sell limit is here, which is now, let me see how far is it. It's about 400, still 400 something. So anyway, next week, go back to 4 hour. So since price has broken this way, given a high, lower high, so I'm going to draw this way now. Okay, this is my trend line. So as long as price respects this trend line, then it will be a sell. And if it breaks the trend line and give a nice retracement, if it breaks, give a nice retracement either by way of higher low or double bottom, or even lower low, and then move up, breaking any of highs around here, because the price doesn't move in a straight line. I'm sure there'll be highs here. So then I will look to buy this currency pair if it gives a clear price action. So until then, if it is a sell, if it breaks, I mean, if it give a retracement towards this trend line and creates another lower high, then I will look to sell this currency pair. So it's quite simple. Also, there's one more thing that you need to notice is price can actually can move up as like a retracement and break the trend line, and then come back inside here. So like creating a wick. So this is not valid for me for a buy. I would know how the price pattern would look like. I do not know how to explain, but it can do this way, move retracement and then move down. This is Euro USD. So last week, this was the trend line that I drew, and I mentioned that if it creates from here, if it creates a lower high, then I will look to kind of I'll draw a trend line this way and then look to see whether how it price react around this area. But the thing is, it did not do that. What it did was it moved up. Obviously this is a resistance area. This is a very nice resistance area. So there was already triple tops here, and one more time it went up and gave a nice drop. But this particular candle, even though it broke here, but it did not close below. It closed above, right at the trend line. And then the subsequent candles were all small candles, and this was a nice move up, and this is a pullback, and it kept moving up. And this line here is actually the daily, this week here. So there was a reaction here on this particular day over here. You can see the first time it hit that, there was a nice reaction, and this one is about 56 pips. It broke and then gave a nice, and now it's moving up. So let me just adjust this trend line. So I'm connecting this lows to this one. So this is how now I'm going to draw. Let me go to weekly. This level here, it's about 200 pips away. So there's a possibility this price is may go there, or it might give a pullback. So wait and see how price is going to unfold on Monday, because this is like a very steep move up. So it might give a retracement before moving up to the other level, this one. I am not sure. I have to see how price is going to unfold. So this is the new trend line though. Now I've drawn. I can take this. This wick has acted as resistance here, and then here it has acted as support. There. Okay, remove this. So this is how it looks like. If we go to 1 hour, see how it's unfolding. There's a steep move going up, so I would anticipate some retracement at some point. It's quite steep. So anyway, if price breaks the trend line, it breaks and then break this trend line, and then it breaks again this trend line, give a pullback by way of higher low or double bottom or lower low, then I would look to buy, because there is a level up here. Not sure it will move to that particular, yeah, this is the so we'll see how price is going to unfold, because it can give a pullback as long as the lows does not break, or it can even break it and then form a wick, so it becomes like a double bottom and then move up. So then probably I'll be drawing this way, the trend line, because then it comes, give a double bottom and then moves up. So this one won't come in play, this particular trend line that I drew earlier. So we'll see how price unfolds. So that's all for now.